1969 Firebird tire sizes. There's a lot of stuff online that you can look up. It tells you what tires fit first gen stuff for the Camaros and the Firebirds. I can tell you unequivocally, if you have 15x7 Rally 2 on the front of a 69 Firebird that has good springs, stock suspension, it sits up where it's supposed to, 235 60/15 will work on the front. It does not rub the fender anywheres. That's what I have on here now. I previously had 215 65/15s, but they look too small. It's a little hard to see because I'm in the shop. But even though it looks like it should hit here, it doesn't. But that also may be because once the fender was installed and the wheel well was installed, when they stamp these fenders, the inner lip goes straight out. Well, even with the smaller tires, it rubbed all the time. You actually have to take the wheel off and take a dead blow mallet and go around here, and you need to form this inner lip around the wheel well. And that way, when you look up inside here, I don't know if you can see, but when you look up inside here, this actually is curled up under here perfectly. I did not deform the wheel well itself. All I did was take the lip all the way up here even and form it inwards like it's supposed to be. Now, on the back of the car, these are 255 60/15s. Now, I had them on this car on Rally 2 15x7s. They did not rub at all. I bought brand new tires for the back, put them on the Rally 2s. I threw these on an old set of Rally 1s. These are Corvette 15x8 Rally 1s. These tires rub like crazy now. Every little tiny bump on the road, it rubs the tires. It's the wheel well hitting the sidewall. See the slice? This wheel well, you can see it's flat. Now, I'm sure I could probably take the wheel off and I can do the same thing I did on the front, and I can massage that in and curl it in and up, and it would be okay. But these wheels and tires aren't staying on the car because these other ones are going on here. And these are just brand new 255 60/15s on the Rally 2s that were on the car already. So 69, that is what will fit and what rims you need to use for stock rims.